as you can see, I have made some things while I wasn't recording. Well, it's not containing anything. It's just meshes. I want you guys to do something. I want you guys to. You can use a mesh, like a mesh of a key, and name it a key. Okay, name it a key. Keep it in the workspace and recess it how you like it. And also a door. Basically, make sure the primary part's is a hinge, but let me explain what you need to do. So basically, you have like a door system, okay? You need, there's two important things you need. First one is the hinge. This is very important if we want to make it. So make it face this way. Make it face this way with the C-frame. Look. So basically, it is facing like. Mm, it's facing this way right here. So that means whenever the door is going to move, it is going to rotate like this, and then it will do like with the C frame with turned into with the angulos. Yeah, I don't know how to really say it. Yeah. So make a hinge. Make sure you've made a hinge. It's the most important thing. And then you're gonna make a like a door. Wait, let me see. A door. Um, yeah, we can weld the door to this. If you have a like decoration, same as me, you can just make a weld constraint and do part 0 panel, which is the door. You can call it door. And um the part 1, the handle. That's what you need to do, okay, for it to be welded correctly. Another thing we're going to do is we are going to anchor everything. Make sure your whole thing is anchored. Make sure it has a hinge. That's very important. Make sure it has a hinge and a door. That's the most important things. Okay, now we're gonna move on to actually making the thing work a little bit. Maybe we can make it work fully. So we're gonna keep your whole model anchored, but yeah, never mind. Don't do anything. So keep everything anchored. And now go make a script inside of the door. Make a script and call it something like door handler. And yeah, okay. We're gonna make variables in here. So make like these things. Those are variables, okay? So let's do like first of all local door model is supposed to script out parent. Local hinge is equals to door model wait for child hinge. Local door is equals to door model wait for child door. That's pretty important as well. These two are very important. And now you're going to script like, yeah, we're gonna do local door open. Keep it on false for now, because as you can see, like it's false, like it's not open. Make sure it's closed. Don't make it open. Yeah. Now, for now, we'll just move on to the next one. Let's type in functions. Let's see what we can do. We are going to try adding functionality to our doors. So we're gonna do local function. Actually, should we do just function? I think local function is better. Let's do local function. Well, now I don't know if I'm doing it right. And call it open door. And just like that. So now we just click enter, make sure it made a function. So we're gonna do if door open is equals to false, then now it's checking it before it opens the door. It is checking if the door open variable is marked as false. And then now it's actually running the code. So we are going to add um we should add like a variable for tween here. The for tween service. Because game get service tween service. You don't need to add a tween info. That's good. Meanwhile, you just add a tween service. That's great. Okay. So you're gonna do local door door open tween is equals to tween service create. It's creating a tween service. And it's gonna be the door um wait. Is it supposed to move the hinge? Door model. Yeah, door model. No, door. Actually, just put door, okay? Because that's the door mesh part we're moving, okay? And do wait, actually, we can actually do something different. We can do hinge, comma, queen info dot new 0,4. Do not do the rest. Well, maybe you can do it, but it's not necessary. It's the same. Like, by the way, I got like a script here that makes the door turn 90 degrees. So with the hinge, so make copy this, and yeah. After you copied that, I'm gonna test it. So let me play this real quick. Play the animation after 1 second. Let me see how it looks. I don't think it's gonna work because I haven't even executed the yeah, there you go. The errors you see are not errors, they're just output. Uh Output plugins. Okay, anyways. Uh wait, that's so weird. By the way, let's put door open through after this. Open twin. Oh wait, let's do. Okay, so keep the hinge anchored and the rest as well, but unanchor the door, like the door. But don't go too fast because in the hinge you're gonna make another weld constraint. Oops, and make it part 0, probably the hinge, and part 1 the door. Yeah. So yeah. Okay, that's it. Let me see if it works. I just want to see if it moves the door or not. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so it actually moves the door. That's great. Let me see what's wrong with the hinge though, because it looks pretty bad. Let me try it. Yeah, it's good. It's so smooth. If you want to make it move the other way instead, just rotate it 2 times. Control R again, twice. And it should do it. That's weird. Oh yeah, true. Because it's doing no matter what you do, it's still gonna do it like 90 degrees. I think. I don't know. Yes, I think so. Yeah. Okay. So this is how it looks for now. Pretty accurate. Let's also unanchor the decoration. Unanchor the welded decoration because it's probably going to separate it. So let's see if it works now. Oh, hell yeah. Okay. That's how it should look like. Now, let me remove this. Keep that activated, okay? So, like, yeah. Remove the open door thing. Let's make another variable called key. Um, Pass key. and keep it on false for now. Or maybe we should keep it on nil. Actually, no, let's just keep it on false right now. And let's make another function called close door. If door open is equals to false, to true, my bad, to true, then door open is equals to false. Now, we are going to copy this and call it door close screen. Door close screen. And remove the math.red radius and just put a 0 in there. Let's do wait 2 seconds and then open door. Wait 2 seconds, close door. Let's see how that goes. Okay, so 2 seconds. It opens the door. 2 seconds. It's not doing anything. This should not be happening. Let's change it to 0.7 so it's more accurate. Okay, that's weird. That's straight up weird. It should not be happening. Oh, wait. Am I stupid? Wait, let me check the... Keep the hash key true for now on. We're testing it. See. Okay, it opens. Why doesn't now close though? Wait, so what if I do math.red 120? Do not do this. Do not do this for now. I'm just testing to see what happens. Oh, it does. Wait, so the problem is not the code, it's just the radius. It's glitched. Let's see. No. Okay, so that means maybe just do math.red 0. Maybe that works now. Or maybe not. Okay, let me figure out what's going on. Wait, I think I know why it doesn't work. Let's add math.radius minus 90. I think this was the issue. Should have been fixed now. It opens. It closes. Okay, that was perfect. Let's do this a little smoother so it's not just a janky door system. If you want to, make the math.radius 120. This is not necessary, but it's really good. By the way, I think it's gonna close like wrongly because I've changed it. Let me check. Yeah, it's just failing just a little bit. Just change that to 120. And it's at 2 variables. First one, local radius. No, rad radius. Right. 120 minus radius spread to minus 120. Just change that, okay? You can change that, yeah. So basically, make it radius strength here minus radius strength here, and just modify this. Just make it like however you want it. Like for example, 90 minus 90. Let's check it out. Should work, yeah. So yeah, all you had to do was that. Now, let's actually remove these at the end, and let's start actually coding the hard thing, the key system. Okay, so we are going to make a hash key. We already have it. Okay, so the hash key. Let's make in the door open function, after checking the door open false, we're also going to make an and hash key is equals to true. because we want to make sure that the door is actually not opened yet, and the player has the key. So do that, and here, I don't think you really need to do anything, so just keep it like that. Uh, let's do system. So yeah, if you haven't before, create a tool in replicating storage, call it key, can be dropped off. Um, copy the key thing we have over here. Copy it. Move it apart. Move it apart. And make sure that the orientation of it, like the orientation of the tool, is on 000. Just like that. Call this handle and remove the grab prompt. Unanchor everything. Unanchor everything. Put it inside in here. And that should work for now. Oh wait, I forgot to put it in starter pack so we can actually test it. And look at it good. If you think it's good, for me it's kind of weird because look, it's not positioned correctly. I have a plugin for this, so I don't have to worry about that. But you guys might as well use it. It's called Tool Grip Editor. It's free, I think, and it's pretty good. I recommend you guys use it. Pretty good. Yep. Um, uh, yeah, it's like so, and then we just like that. That's how I'm gonna keep it. My tool is so small that you can make it bigger, obviously. Um, oh my gosh, I always put it in the workspace. I'm so stupid. That's it. So I think that's a pretty good. Yeah, that's decent. If you have your hitbox transparency on, I recommend disabling it, or maybe not for now, because we're gonna test. Okay, let's start scripting now. So inside of the door handler, in the key system, make sure you have the code the same as mine, by the way. I don't think I have changed anything, so that's good. Um, do a workspace with what's called key. Make sure it's this key right here. This. Put your key back to replicate storage, by the way. Just to have, if you haven't. This is the key you need to have in the variables. Now, workspace with your child key and for child hitbox. Dot grab prompt. Dot trigger. Connect function. Player. Local character. With the player that character. First of all, do this with child key. With the child hitbox. That grab prompt that enables false. Do do has a key is equals to true now because the player has a key. And the workspace with child key dot transparency on dot can't collide false dot can't touch false and local key clone is equals to how did they know what I was gonna put? Key clones because the game replicated storage. with without key. This is the tool we're cloning into the player. We're not gonna clone it. We're just gonna parent it into the character. Oh wait, my bad. I accidentally didn't want to do that. There you go. Let's see how it is, guys. Y'all can try it out. That should work just a little bit. Not really much, though. Look, we have the prompt. We're prompt over it. It works. Um, I recommend setting the hitbox transparent, since really ruins the moment. I don't know why I said that. Okay, that is much better. Now we want to make it detect when we touch the door with the key. So for that, we will do workspace, find first child. No, yeah, wait, for child. You know what? Let's just do door, which is the mesh part. You know, the actual door. That touch connect function fits. Now here's the important part. If it got parent, find first child humanoid, and has to be is because it's true, and what else? Door open is equals to false, and hit dot name is equals to hitbox. Then we're gonna open the door for now. I don't know if this works because we're doing it very hard way, and it does not work. By the way, we can wait. Let me check. We can set in the tool. We can set the handle and hitbox collisions false. Okay, that's completely fine. Let me check it out now. Oh, wait, what is it touching though? Let's do print hit dot name. I don't, cause like I'm so confused right now. What is it even touching, bro? Oh, okay. Yeah, it sometimes touches. Never gets to touch the door though. So you know what? Inside of our door, we're gonna make a new part and scale it. Make it your hitbox. That's gonna be your hitbox. So make it a good scale. Call it door hitbox, not hitbox, because it might get confused. Transparent. Can collide off. Make sure it's anchored. And I'm gonna lock it because it's annoying. Yeah. So that's gonna be my hitbox for my door. Let's do um that name is equals to for hitbox. That might work better, cause yeah. Well, no, I don't really know. Oh, it's you know what? It tracks everything, but tracking everything except my just tracking my freaking hand. Why? Uh, my box. What? Oh no! Wait! Oh, we're doing it wrong way, bro. Do let's put this over here inside of this. Do declone That hitbox. Oh my gosh. That hitbox. That handle, sorry. That hitbox got touched. Oh, I'm so stupid. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh. Okay, now should actually. Okay. Oh, it touched it and it's not. Why it's not open? Hmm. Supposed to open the door. Wait, so if I put it over here. Well, let's remove all of these. These are not important. And remove this, especially that, because it breaks a lot of the code. Now, is it gonna try what I'm okay? Oh, okay, that works. Now let's add a debonds to it because it's kind of glitchy. So add debonds as it goes through. Then debonds goes to false. Yeah, okay, we did it. We did it. Now we can make it remove the tool thing, key clone dot parent thing dot replicate storage. Okay, now we have it. There you go. Yeah, much better. Oh my gosh, this is so smooth. Okay, we can use the. We can try and make it close after some time. Hmm. And then after it closes. Okay, you know what? Let's do an optional line. You can either code this or you don't need to, okay? So you can keep it open if you want to, but I'm just gonna do it so there's a closed debounce for it, okay? A closed timer. Closed timer is equals to 30 seconds. For now, I'm gonna make it 5 seconds actually to test it. Close door. Actually, sorry, wait, close timer, and then close door. That's so simple. Even a baby will do that. So I cannot open it unless I have the key. Boom, it's open. Wait 5 seconds. And it's closed. So we can actually add sounds now. We can add sounds, yes. So I'm gonna go ahead and look for sounds, but in the door, add a sound called door open and door close. Okay, I'm done finding the sounds. These are the IDs if you want to use the same as me. The close and yeah. So now after the open door function triggered, oops, we're gonna make it so it plays the sound. So do door, wait for child, door open, play, and after the closed door, wait for child, close, door close, play. That's it. So if we try it out now, it should work perfectly. We have a super advanced door system. There you go. I'm so sorry if this. Sorry, I wanted to hear it. Okay. I'm so sorry if this tutorial was so long, but I hope it was really helpful, okay? Um, so yeah, that's it. You don't need to make the close option thing. It's up to you, but you can modify this after to make it even better than I did. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you want more tutorials like this, please subscribe so you don't miss out other series, because might be important, obviously. There might be some important theories that, yeah, I might post and you might be looking for. So, yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and check out my community posts whenever I post a new poll. Then you guys can vote whatever's gonna be my next tutorial. Okay, see you guys.